Oh my gosh, bro. Oh. All right. Oh, jeez, guys. Holy shit. Let me get to this trade real quick. This is the welcome to another trade recap. Today I did only won $1,600 today. No lie, no lie. This was an emotional last day for me. Like super emotional. I haven't been this emotional since I started trading in the first place. But yeah, man, let's just jump right into it. Today I made around $2,800, and then I was about $20 away from passing my funded, so I started spamming trades, and now I lost, and now I'm back down to $1,600. You really can't make this up. I was raging. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was freaking livid. Yeah, I took like 7 trades today. Just bad emotional side. Do not listen, or don't even. I don't even know. Today was not a day to follow me. I mean, obviously my first trade or my second trade was, textbook. It was an easy ass trade, and then I lost. And then obviously if I took this trade, I would be funded again. So, just the biggest mind fuck of all time. But after my 7th trade, I called it a day. And I turned off my computer. But let's get into it. So today was easy, super easy. Not even gonna lie to you, it was ridiculous. I took one trade. Like when market open, so you come up, we come down, we sweep out London, and we fill in like half of this fair value gap on the hourly, which is how I mark out fair value gaps. If hourly is what I look for. Or halfway through is like a good fill. So it comes down, sweeps up London, fills in half this fair value gap. Then we get a huge reaction. We break structure. We come down into equilibrium, into this breaker block, into this order block, and then on where was it? It was this candle. This candlestick right here. Oh yeah, right here. This candlestick right here. And once it broke 1 minute structure, I was in there. We got stopped out. I was like, okay, cool. Not the end of the world. I knew there was a possibility of getting stopped out because when it came up to here, we swept out London on NQ. So this was kind of a bad trade. As soon as it sweeps out London, I probably shouldn't have looked for it long, but I did, and I got stopped out. But regardless, then we get this. Then we get this trade over here on NQ, which was pretty brain dead. I took 2 trades on NQ, 2 shorts. We come up after we sweep out London, making a huge SMT, big bearish SMT. If you didn't take shorts today, you must be like partially autistic. So I'm then so we inverse 1 minute fair value gap. Basically, you could just enter short right off of here because how my SMT divergence strategy is. Give me a 5 minute SMT. As soon as we get a 1 minute invalidation of that order flow, that I'm in there. But I did not do that. As soon as it inverses 1 minute fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap right here, I still did not want to take a trade yet. I wanted to see more confirmation. That extra confirmation was when we came up into this big 1 minute bearish fair value gap. We got a reaction out of it, entered, and then same thing. It was my first take profit was halfway through this 5 minute fair value gap. As you see, we came down, we hit it, and then we immediately got a leg up, stopping us out at break even with the Jolts job opening news candle at 10 a.m. or 10 a.m. Then, how news works is it's going to hold on, sorry, I'm looking for maybe another re-entry. It's looking for it's going to move price whenever direction the news comes out in, and then it's going to keep going in the direction that it wants to go in. Okay. After that, what do we get? After Jolt's drop opening comes up, we get a 5 minute break of structure all the way down here. And then I was thinking, maybe prices want to move without me after Jolt's opening, but then we get a reaction all the way back up into equilibrium, into this breaker block, into this order block. Then obviously look for a 1 minute inverse value gap, which was right here, targeting down to these lows. This trade was pretty brain dead. This trade made me like about $3,400, something like that, and then I was $20 off of breaking even, or $20 off of being funded. So I started spamming shorts down here, getting stopped at every single one. Bad trade psychology down here. This trade was a great trade. This trade was a good trade. This trade was not, or these trades were not a good trade. All right, and then continuing on. All right, there's no more short setup because we just broke 5-minute structure, or did we? Yeah, we broke 5-minute structure. All right, cool. Then we can go over this ES trend just mocked up. We came down, same thing every single day. It's the same exact thing. I don't know why I started shorting. As you can see, now I'm a brick away from being funded. I made $1,600. So bad trade psychology. But we come down, we sweep out Asian session lows. We get a 5-minute breaker structure, a 5-minute retrace into the breaker block, order block, equilibrium. And then what I look for, a 1-minute inverse fair value gap, which would be right here. Which would be right here. Short or longs up to this start of the 15-minute fair value gap for an easy trade. I don't know why I didn't take this. I mean, I do know why, because I was already 800 trades deep. So that's definitely why I didn't take it. But we got that easy trade down, and yeah, I mean, that's basically it for why I took all these trades. Bad trade psychology. Holy crap, it couldn't have been worse. It really could not have been worse, if we're being quite honest. I mean, man, I was so pissed that I was only $20 away, and then I just started spamming trades. Don't even, like, look at this. Look at all these trade executions. Just bad psychology. I almost freaking put a hole in my wall because of how retarded I was. Just absolutely retarded. You can't even make this stuff up anymore. Just dumb trades. We do have another SMT off of Asian lows, I think. Oh no, wait. Oh, these weren't even Asian lows. I'm retarded. It was sell side liquidity. That was all the way down here. I don't know why I marked it as Asian. Yeah, so we have this huge huge SMT down here. I don't really know what to make of it. I mean, we could see but I think that I think we do want to go higher. We do have another kind of trade comes into this 5-minute fair value gap. We could get a re-entry. I might take this re-entry. It really depends on if we break structure, get a 1-minute fair value gap fill, and then a reaction out of it. That's the only way I'm ever taking the trade. But I mean, yeah, that's basically it. I don't even know what to tell. I mean, this a huge emotional day for me. Huge emotional day. Like, whew! I almost freaking put a hole in my computer. But as you can see, we top ticked this trade. Knew exactly where price wanted to go. Obviously, to fill this fair value gap, nothing more, because we are a huge bear structure, huge structure. So I don't want to take anything else. I wouldn't want to take an extendo clip all the way up to London highs, because that's a huge trying to trade. I mean, like, yeah, you get crazy RR, but it's just not worth it in my opinion. A 3 is good enough for me, and yeah, I mean, we did just inverse this 1-minute fair value gap, which you can see right here. We get a huge dick size candle down, but it looks like we're coming down. We just inversed that 1-minute fair value gap, so now we're in 1-minute bear structure again. Just no more good price action to trade. This was basically it. My NASDAQ trades were great today for a 126, and then this. I probably should have had full take profit here, knowing I completely forgot that Joel's job opening was literally like I don't know how many more minutes until full take profit was hit. I entered off of this for 2 minutes. Yeah, definitely should have just had this be my full take profit, but I just forgot that Joel's job opening was even open. So yeah, I mean, it was an okay trade day. Definitely not the best. I mean, holy crap, you can't even make this up. Just idiot. But with that being said, I do have my exam. I do have my exam tomorrow. So I will not be trading tomorrow, but yeah, I mean, just about as dumb as it can get from me. I mean, I haven't been this emotional, like I said, since I started, which was like over the summer, and I've been doing really good on handling my emotions. Just today got the better side of me when I looked at my account and I only saw that I was $20 away. I mean, I was thinking I'm just gonna enter, trade, get $20 and leave, which is just the dumbest idea I've ever had in my entire life. Just retarded. Sorry for saying that word a bunch, but I mean it really was. I mean you can't even make this stuff up anymore. So yeah, now as you can see, we're coming up. We came into this. We came up into this breaker, into this order block on the 15-minute. It's just not worth a trade anymore. We did break structure on the 15-minute, but it's just not worth it. Not worth it at all to take a trade. There's nothing to take a trade off of anymore because now price action has gotten too confusing. We just filled in this fair value gap on the 15-minute. We did break structure on both sides. Or we did break structure on Nasdaq to go higher. But we also did fill in like this order block, breaker block, and on ES we did not break structure. So I mean ES is so much farther lower than NQ. I really doubt that ES is going to come all the way back up and sweep out London highs. I think we have a huge SMT, huge bearish SMT, and I mean I can go over my retard trades real quick, but don't even like ever copy trade this shit at all. So we come down. Once we got that sweep, I had my full take profit, my full extendo clip down here, which again I would be funded if I just held, but I wanted to take profits here, obviously for good reason because we had this draw liquidity right here. But with that being said, we come down. As soon as we get this reaction up, I press sell again, try to get shits, but then it comes all the way up here, and I got out of it because I was down like $500. Bet. Okay. Then we come down. Now we filled in this half of the fair value gap. I still want to take a short, so as soon as we filled in this 1 minute fair value gap, we got a little leg down. I wanted to see it hit this, and I was going to take all my profits off. Then we got a major dick size up. Stopped us out again. One more trade. As soon as it fucking inverts this fair value gap, I was in there again. Stopped us out again. Once I had my stops over here. I mean, just stopped every single trade. Just completely moronic for me. I mean, uncharacteristic, I would say. But I do think that we are going to turn bullish. I mean, you could take a trade right now if we break structure on the 1 minute. But I mean, it's just. Look at this chop fest. I mean, it's just not worth it. Not worth it at all. We are just sitting inside this range right here. It's just not worth. You could take a trade right now though. Long, John, silver, stops below this. But I just don't think we're going to come back up. I mean, I do think we're going to come back up. I wouldn't bet money on it. And that's what you're doing. I mean, we did break structure, so maybe if we get this fair value gap, but I do think we're going to go higher. I mean, just bad trades. But other than that, I mean, that's my trade recap for the day. Take notes on the NASDAQ trade. Obviously, take notes on that trade. Do not take notes on any of the other trades that I took besides this one. This one was, again, easy as can be. Do not take any of these trades for your account. I still made money on the day, so I can't complain. I'm trying to just... maybe Thursday and Friday I can get some good price action and become funded by the end of the week. But this was just, oh man, I can't even make this up how dumb of a trade this was. But yeah, going off of that, that's it for today's trade recap. I'm still going to look for trades, kind of. I'm not going to take any, but I'm still going to like mark some out, maybe see what price wants to do. But as of right now, I am not taking any trades at all. Besides maybe if it comes down to this 1 minute fair value gap, gets a reaction, and then hopefully we get like a long setup from like here to like the top of this, to like the bottom of like that, and try to squeeze. Maybe just like a little buy, try to squeeze. But other than that, that's it for the day. Thank you guys. If you guys want to see me live trade and give you guys a bunch of free sauce, Discord below, join it.